Hey there planners, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi. Today I have a couple of things that I want to do with you guys. So I'm gonna open this package that I just received from Elisa Ravell, and we're gonna set up our week of the 25th through, so July 25th through the 31st. All right, so first things first, let's see here. Because I want to pick a kit from this right here. I purchased a couple of things from Elisa Ravell. She always sends cute freebies with her orders, and they're always different, which I love. I love to have different little icons. So I have some shopping, laundry, oh, nails, some coffee cups, appointments. Oh, I love this ones too. Awesome. Some script. Perfect. She also sends this freebie right here. Look at this Geico or Gecko. No, Geico is a company. Gecko. Look at the gecko, so cute. And the pineapple with sunglasses. Oh my gosh, so cute. All right, so those are the freebies. Remember, they always change. She's always changing her designs. And I requested some custom scripts. So this is the monthly favorites for my A5. Did I purchase this or did she send me this? Look at this cute. Oh, I think we're gonna have to use this one, you guys. Yep. Okay, so I purchased the A5 Daily Duo. I think it's the whole kit. Let me see. Yeah, plus add-ons. So these are the add-ons. There's boxes, there's flags, there's appointment boxes, and this, I think these are half boxes right here. Here are the days of the week. Oh my God. That is so cute. The boxes that go on the bottom. Oh my gosh. Is this the same? Let me see. Yes, this one goes for this one. And this is kit number 7, the one with the flamingos. This one is 67. Yep. Which is the cherries for the Daily Duo. It comes with this sheet and this right here. Awesome. Okay, I also got, oh yes. Okay, so I wanted to try this out. Let me show you. This is a weekly converter kit, and this is for the Daily Duo. So this is for this page right here, page that is like after the Sunday, and you can add a week there. You can actually create your own layout, your weekly layout. So this kit right here is for that weekly view. So you just add the weekly view, the days of the week. Awesome. I wanted to try this. I totally forgot that this the house stickers, the icons for the little house icons are in different colors. Awesome. To match my weeklies. And you have some washi on the side. So this is kit number 9, and this one is the A5 Daily Duo. So this one, friends, is for the weekly view. So this little one, okay, let me show you the difference. So this little one doesn't have any washi. You can actually use any washi you have and create your own kit with this converter. This one is the weekly view, but it has the whole kit. It has washi, it has the check boxes, days of the week, which this one has too. You know, the days of the week and the dates. You have boxes here, you have habit trackers, and you have dots. So this one's like a complete weekly view kit, and this is the converter where you can actually use your own washi. Okay, and this script says music, and this is a custom sheet, And the last thing I have here is the A5. Let me see. This one is kit 72B, and this one is for the dashboard. Oh, so pretty. Oh, and this one I picked 72B. So there's A and B. A doesn't have a tracker here. B has the tracker. You have washi, the tracker, the big box here on the side, check boxes, the script, and the months. So this particular one is July, September, and August. Awesome. Love the colors. So this is my first package here. In case you guys don't know, I am part of Elisa Ravell's PR team. I'm going to leave you my code here, which is 15 Make Up Your Plan PR. You get 15% off, and I'm going to show you what, okay, I don't want to see it again. I want it to be a surprise. All right. So this one right here, friends. Oh, she sent me 2 of this. Oh, thank you. This is my freebie. It's super cute. Look at the planners. And I love the colors, the pink and the purple. Love that. And every time you use my code, you use 15 Make Up Your Plan PR. And I'll leave it there so you can screenshot that or leave it here on the screen. You'll get this freebie as well. Plus, you'll get your other freebies. Okay, like this one's. I don't know if this one comes in every order. I think it does, but I'm not 100% sure. But I know for sure this one's come in all of the orders. And if you use my code, not only you get 15% off, but you get this freebie too. All right. Here is the A5 Daily Duo. So the extra boxes here. Okay, this one is A5 Daily Duo Sidebar. Okay. Awesome. Daily Duo Sidebar. I don't have any of this. So this is part of this kit right here. Let me just put it here. This one is the A5 Daily Duo. This one is July. So it's July, September, and October. This one's going to be perfect for September. I'm going to save this one. No, not September. I'm sorry, for October. I'm going to save this for October. I love this. Oh, and she sent me the whole kit. Oh my goodness. This sheet. Okay, so this is kit. I'm sorry, I forgot to tell you. This is kit 75, A5 Daily Duo. And Yali sent me the coordinating kit, but this one is the A5 dashboard, and this is kit 75B. It has the tracker on the bottom. This one is July, September, and October. Okay. These ones are the add-ons to 75, to kit 75. You have the flags and the hourly stickers there. You have the stickers here, and you have the smaller. Oh, you know what? You can cover this one is to cover the calendar. Awesome. Here's the A5 Daily Duo, kit 75. Oh my gosh, love that. Love that. The boxes. And this one is kit 75A, Daily Duo again. This one is 75B. Oh, I love the color combination. I don't know how, like, she puts all these colors together, because I wouldn't be able to do that. This is the A5 Daily Duo. Oh, and this is 75C. Oh, look at this ones. Okay, so this is the first time that I get the hourly stickers here. The check boxes. We have the washi and dots and this little, what are this called? Appointment stickers. But look at the hourly. at the hours here. Awesome. Okay. No. Oh my word. Oh my word. Oh my word. Oh my word. Let me turn this over. Oh, Yelly. I didn't even know. Let's take a look. So this is the add-on, right? So is this. Yeah, and this is the A5 Daily Duo Kit 31 add-ons. I didn't know she was gonna have this. I love this too. Oh yeah, this is so good. So good. And here's the kit. So this is the A5 Daily Duo Kit 31. So all of this goes together. And when you order, so what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to go into the create your own kit, and you order the pages that you want to add to your kit. Here's a weekly. This is still kit 31. Oh, I love that. These are like little lights. They're lights. So cute. Awesome. Here are the boxes. Okay, so this one is so this is kit 31A. We have 31B. There's a candle here. Oh, so pretty. We have the flags and washi. And that's this whole set right here. Awesome. And oh my gosh, I'm so happy about this. Okay, so I have been using her samplers, okay? And this little bow right here, this ribbon here, I love that. So I asked her if she would be able to make a whole sheet of those. And she asked me what colors I wanted. I said, whatever you like, it's fine. I know I'm gonna be able to use them with all of my kits, so I'm not worried about that. And she created this. Thank you so much. I love this. So this one would be, I don't know, I'm gonna ask her how she reads her individual sheets like this. This one is PS IS 046. So I don't know if she just says 46 or if they have a name. I have to double check, and I'm gonna ask her, okay? So now, what kit are we gonna use? This one's we're gonna save for October, September and October, okay? So we might use some of these freebies. What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? Oh, I love this. Love the flowers and the butterflies. Okay, we're gonna use the houses for sure. Should we use the cherry? But I want to use this one, this flamingo. Oh, and you know what? I used a flamingo sticker last week. Oh, if I would have known, I totally forgot I was gonna get a flamingo. It's okay. We can use, oh, I know what we can use with this one. Okay. I'm so excited. I don't know what to do. Oh, the ribbons here. I'm gonna use this ones too. So this is the kit I'm gonna use. That. And we're gonna put this away after I finish.